Tired of Chrome downloads taking forever, especially after that IDM extension vanished? Let's get it back. First, make sure Internet Download Manager, or IDM, is actually installed on your computer. If not, you'll need to download and install it from the official website. Before proceeding, double-click the IDM icon to open up the program, since the IDM extension will not work if the main program has not been fully installed. Next, within IDM, navigate to the Options menu. Usually, you can find this under the Downloads tab. Then Options. Now, we must enable the IDM integration with Chrome. In the Options window, go to the General tab. Ensure the box labeled Use Advanced Browser Integration is checked. Also, under the list of browsers, make sure Google Chrome is ticked. Click OK to save these settings. Now head over to Google Chrome and in the address bar type in Chrome Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions Management page. At the top right, you'll see a toggle for Developer Mode. Switch it on. With Developer Mode enabled, a new button called Load Unpacked appears. Click it. This will open a File Explorer window. You need to navigate to the Internet Download Manager installation directory. This is usually located at C of Program Files by 86. Internet Download Manager. Inside, find a file named Insect.crx. Click this file and then click Open. And that's it. The IDM extension should now be successfully readied to your Chrome browser. You should see the IDM icon in your toolbar. Happy downloading!